Hello, friends. Welcome to another episode of Stock Market Daily Update. I'm Aditya from Mostly Bearish. Today on my Telegram channel, I had updated about Reliance, Jubilant Food, and Wipro. So let's get into today's analysis and see what happened and what were the expectations and what was my thinking. So what you see right now on your screen is Jubilant Foodworks. So this stock I had already picked in my stock market week ahead. After a certain break, I expected this to do a big up move. Even though there was a small position that I had taken on positional basis, I got out of that. But today what I updated on my group was intraday positions. So when I saw this move here from these levels upside and the stock started coming down, I had expected this to break the previous high and then go higher. But then when I saw this candle forming itself here, I had entered the stock. So my stop losses would have been pretty much small, somewhere around here average basis. Stop loss would have been the low that it had created. So my first target was the high of the day, and I wanted to keep exiting as and when it started going up. So towards the highs, again I took a complete exit somewhere averaging here. I also updated that this stock has a potential to do higher, but I expected some kind of a consolidation and do the move in the second half. When I was actually updating if the stock has a potential to do 2370 or 2380, by that time only it gave a breakout here and it had created a new high. I did not take the position, but I expected some kind of a retracement from there. So the next stock that I was looking at was Wipro. So Wipro broke out from a range. I had missed out on this move, but I expected Wipro to go higher, right? So when I saw the stock consolidating here, I had taken positions at this candle. The candle which you see here, I had taken a position there. Main reason was I expected the highs to be taken out. So somewhere here I had taken the position. The stop losses were, if it went anywhere below the 10-day exponential, I would have exited the stock. So what happened from there was, the expectation was if the highs are cleared, I will exit the stock mostly. I had also updated this somewhere around here. I had exited the stock 80%, holding 20% mainly because I expected more upside to this. So 80% was already booked and 20% I had exited at these levels here. After that, the stock actually went even higher, but I wasn't holding any of it. That is the main reason I tell sometimes we need to hold some quantity if we know the direction of the stock. So the 80% also why I cleared was for protecting my profits. So another stock was in my radar, that was Reliance. So Reliance, I've been following it for past 3 days. I had a view on this. As soon as 2200 is taken out, this stock is going to keep going up. Today I expected the similar move what happened 2 days, mainly because of the candle formation, that is 3 white soldiers. But I also expected that there might be a spinning top or a doji candle that can happen. So if you see on daily basis, the doji candle happened. I had updated, I am still bullish on the stock because it is in a range. It is range bound. If the highs are taken out, I expect this to reach even higher. So the price will be based on how the highs are taken out itself. So I had taken a trade when I saw this gap. So this gap itself showed that there is so much bullishness and I had entered. There was no stop loss. I had taken a very small quantity and the first 5 minutes itself I had exited the stock on average basis somewhere around the highs, right? Post which I had updated another up move which I was expecting to be like yesterday. The highs here should have been taken out. So I was waiting for the stock to come towards these highs, which it did not. It became range bound. And now on Monday, depending on if there is profit booking, I will be open to taking short positions in Reliance. But if there is any gap up, I will probably take long position depending on the price and how the stock moves. So I hope today's analysis is clear. I had traded 3 stocks. The reasons were also provided to you. Now all the updates were given on my Telegram channel. If you want to follow me on my Telegram channel, the link is given down in the description. Make sure you follow me there. Thank you so much for watching this.